My name is Ed, and I'm 45 years old, and I've been coming to Pinnacle Men's Health for about a year.
My name's David. I'm 46 years old, and I've been coming to Pinnacle Men's Health for about 2 years.
My name is Lou, and I'm 74 years old, and I've been coming to Pinnacle Men's Health for several years.
Erectile dysfunction wasn't something that I ever really thought about before. I'm healthy, I'm pretty active, and I'm a pretty high energy man that likes to get things done. So when I started to experience symptoms of ED, for the one few times in my life, I felt helpless.
I first heard about the P shot in an article I was reading online. What really intrigued me about it is that it's a natural process for improving sexual performance.
Before I visited Pinnacle Men's Health, I had the same feelings about my ED as everyone. Insecurity, fear, anxiety, shame, depression. I felt like I just wasn't as much a man as I used to be. At the same time, I didn't have the education to really know all my options. I just thought I would have these issues forever.
It's not like the rest of the issues I run into my life, where I'm able to do just what I need to do on my own to fix it. On top of that, I felt alone. I never heard my friends talk about it, so I didn't.
I didn't have erectile dysfunction. That's not the reason I wanted the shot. I was just losing some stamina and sensation and didn't want my sex life to slow down as I got older. And let's be honest, we would all be happy to add a little size, you know? Thicker, longer.
It took me years to actually do anything about it because it came on slowly. At first, I'd be able to be intimate with my wife every few days. That turned into once a week, which turned into once a month, and it just became less frequent over time.
Thankfully, I found Pinnacle Men's Health. I was a little nervous before the initial consultation, but the doctors and the all-male staff at Pinnacle Men's Health immediately put me at ease.
So I assumed the only option left for me was to get surgery. That is until I saw the ad for Pinnacle Men's Health. I figured at this point in my life I really had nothing to lose. So I buried my pride and scheduled a consultation. After meeting with the doctor and staff, my first reaction was relief. But I was also a bit mad at myself for not calling sooner.
I did a little research on where I could get it and what the best place to go was, and Pinnacle Men's Health kept coming up over and over again, so I went ahead and scheduled a consultation with the doctor.
Everyone's got excuses. Some guys get fatigued easily, some have high blood pressure. When I was explaining the process to someone, they seemed really impressed that in 8 minutes I saw the solution actually work for me. The custom treatments used can work regardless of other factors in your life.
The doctor and staff at Pinnacle Men's Health explained everything to me in terms that I could easily understand. They explained the process completely so I wouldn't have any confusion about what the shot is and why it works, and the procedure was quick and painless.
We decided together that the wave therapy was the best treatment for me. It was easy and painless. Most importantly, the treatment worked for me. I have my confidence back and I feel like a man again. I can't say enough about the difference that the doctors at Pinnacle Men's Health made in my life.